Hi, it's Aaron here from Mayfair Plumbing. Today, just here to talk to you about a common question we get called about in relation to gas hot water services and other gas appliances such as ovens when the customer is finding that the pilot light is not staying on. Now, there are numerous contributing factors that cause this problem, but one of the common ones is a failed thermocouple. So this here will actually straighten out. It's just come out of the packet at the moment. It's a thin copper wire and you can actually stretch it out to go to its various locations. But the main component here is this silver looking probe. It's called the thermocouple. Now, you'll find that is actually located inside the burner directly next to the pilot light. So what it does is it gets a flame on it from the pilot light on this silver probe, and it generates a current through this copper line or coil, which then tells this little probe, this little brass or gold looking probe, that yes, look, I'm getting a flame, I'm hot, and it tells a magnetic valve inside of the thermostat control housing normally that yes, it's safe to turn the gas on because this thermocouple here is hot, which indicates that, well, if it's getting hot, there must be a flame. So yes, it's safe to now turn the full amount of gas onto the furnace, and away we go. What you'll find though over time, inside this copper wire, a component will break, or nearby here it'll break, and you'll find the pilot light isn't staying on. Although it might be lighting when you're igniting it, it's not physically staying on. It can just be a simple matter that, look, yes, this probe, the thermocouple, could just be dirty. But look, in most cases, over, a period of time, maybe 5 or 6 years, this component can break down. Now, these are in your storage hot water services, something like a Dux, a Ream, Stella, for example. These are inside of that. And then you've got your gas ovens where the flame's located at the back. You'll see one of these probes sitting in there. And of course, this copper wiring is a lot longer. This is just a smaller thermocouple. It's a universal one. They come in various different sizes, up to 1.5 meters in length. And what they also come with is a range of other little parts and nuts that allow you to locate the thermocouple into its correct position. So this is a thermocouple that's universal, hence it comes with all these little bits and pieces. But you can get proprietary made items direct from the manufacturer, which already come with the housing and everything, that you then just unscrew and screw straight back on. But this one that we're looking at today is a universal one. So if you're finding that you've got an older appliance, a gas oven, a storage style hot water service, and the pilot light is being very temperamental, then the chances are the thermocouple may need replacing. Look, there can be other things as well, but typically that would be one of the more common problems we come across at Mayfair Plumbing here in Adelaide, South Australia. So if you're looking for somebody to help you with repairs to your gas appliance, call us today on 0429 361 819. Thank you.